guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So once you want to speed up your device and also clear cache, just open the settings, then find and select apps and roll a list of all apps, and now go through mostly used apps, or actually you can go through all of them. And then let me show you, for example, on Chrome, go to storage and cache and mark here clear cache. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Obviously you can do it for all apps on your device, just the same action, and that's it. It will definitely speed up your device. Once it is done, you can go back to home screen, locate and open iManager, and click on Space Cleanup. And here just wait a couple of seconds till your device is scanned, till you've got the whole report. And now just mark clean up all and wait till it's done. As you can see, your device has a bit more space right now, so it will definitely work a bit faster. Then you can perform a security scan, so if there's any threat detected, you'll be informed and you'll be able to remove it, as it can also slow down your phone. Let's go back and now open data management. And here go to view details. If you wish to customize it somehow, you can do it over here. Just go to particular app and then change the consumption Wi-Fi data consumption options, and basically that's it. Obviously at the end you can close all running apps on your device by tapping on X here, and that's it. It should work a bit faster. If you want to perform like the perfect cleanup, at the end perform a soft reset, so just tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see VIVO logo, just remove both fingers and within a couple of seconds it would be rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.